To begin, gather the ingredients for the salmon fillet. You will need a 170-gram salmon fillet, a pinch of salt and black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of dried thyme, and an equal amount of dried rosemary. Start by seasoning the salmon fillet with all the spices and herbs. Once that's done, heat a non-stick pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place the salmon in the skillet, skin down first, and cook for a few minutes. Flip the salmon carefully and continue cooking until thoroughly cooked. Once done, set it aside. Next, it's pesto time. This flavorful sauce requires 1/4 cup of fresh basil, 1 tablespoon of almonds, the same amount of Parmesan cheese, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a dash of salt and black pepper. Using a food processor, add all the ingredients and pulse on high until everything is coarsely chopped, which should take about a minute. Now, the moment of truth. Serve the perfectly cooked salmon with the freshly made pesto and a slice of lemon for that extra zing. This keto salmon with chunky basil pesto is not just a feast for the eyes, but a delight for the palate. And the best part? It's packed with nutritional benefits. This dish provides 606.9 kilocalories of energy, 38.4 grams of protein, 46.9 grams of fat, and only 3.9 grams of carbohydrates. So, next time you're in a hurry, remember this quick, easy, and healthy meal option. It's the perfect blend of taste and health, giving you the best of both worlds. Enjoy your keto salmon with chunky basil pesto, and stay healthy.